Okay, so let's see how we can use the plugin to create an opt-in page quick and easily, and all the settings that we can use in this plugin. Okay, so first of all, I created a new page, or you can use any existing page that you have, but I created a new page called a test opt-in page, and I added some information here. And if we go to the WordPress site, you'll see it's just a regular page, and you see all the template area here. Okay, so let's see how fast and easy it is just to create an opt-in page. And we go back to our page editor here. And basically we're going to have a meta box in the bottom here that says Optin Express Options, and we're going to choose make this page an opt-in page. All we do is click that button and we hit update. And once the page is updated, we're going to come here and we're going to refresh, and you'll see that we have an opt-in page with our default footer text here with the test link, and basically our default background. So let's go into some of the settings that we can change when we do this. Okay, the first setting we have is theme options. We can use the active theme. If we go back to this page, you can see that we have a clean template here. We're not using any of the template that was active on the rest of the site. It's just an opt-in page with no other distractions here. So if we click this, what it's going to do is we're going to use the active theme. We're going to pull the header and the footer in from the active theme. Let me just update here and refresh this page, and you'll see it pulls in the header and the footer, and then this is the opt-in page here. So if you want to keep the header and the footer of your template that you're using for your site, you can create your opt-in page just like this. It's one of the options that we have. I personally prefer not to use it. We also have page shadows. We have a glow, a page curl, and a side shadow. I'm going to use the page curl. We can set the background color for this individual page. If we have this cleared, then we'll use the default background color that we changed over here in the settings option. But if we want this page to be a different color from the default color, we can change it to whatever we like. So I say just for the sake of demonstration, I'll change it to a yellow. We can also change the page width of the page. The default is 900 pixels, but suppose you want it to fit in with the rest of your site, you can change it to whatever you like. This is also important if you choose to use the active theme, because sometimes the page width needs to be adjusted to fit within the header of the footer that you're going to pull in from your active theme. You can also choose to not display the title or display the title. So you can choose whether to display the title or not to display the title here. If you don't display the title, let's just update it and go back and see what the options were that we changed. Okay, here you can see that we have the header and the footer here, but we also have our page title here. Now I'm going to refresh. We're not using the theme options, and we have no title here. You see I changed the background here. We have a nice page curl shadow here as well. Let's go back, and for demonstration purposes, that's not too nice of a color, so we're just going to change that background color. Or in fact, we can just clear it and use the default color. Or we can display the title, and we can choose what color we want the title to be. So say I want the title to be a red. I want to align it center, and let's go in there and update that. And these are just the page options, general page options here. You can see how easy it is to change all the settings and everything around and get your looking exactly what you like. So here we have the title. It's the color that we chose and the alignment that we chose. And you can choose whichever you want there or not to display it. And then we have our opt-in options, which is basically the opt-in options for this box here. So I already put some stuff in there, the opt-in headline. You can also choose the color of the headline. Just for demonstration purposes, I make a nice green. You can set the alignment of the headline, your opt-in text, and your privacy notice. So basically, this is the headline here. This is your opt-in text that comes above the form, and here is your privacy notice here. And you can all just customize that real quick in here. Now, the meat of the thing is going to be your autoresponder code. So if I paste the autoresponder code in here, it's going to automatically fill out the name field, email field, the post URL, and the hidden fields. Now, it shows you this, but you can go back through your code and you can double check and make sure the name field is actually the name field, email field, and all these values are correct. But it should fill it out correctly for you. But you have the option to manually do it as well. Let me just, let me come back here and finish this section. We have the opt-in box color background. So we can choose the color background, gray, red, yellow, blue, green, or white. And we can choose the submit button. We can have it red or orange, green, all these colors here. And the style of the button here as well. So that's basically everything for the autoresponder box there. So we're going to update it. And once it's updated, we'll take a look. And you can see, yep, change the color there. We have the name form, the name field, the email field, the subscribe button. Basically, if your autoresponder code does not have a name field, let me just take that out, then basically what will happen is you'll just have the email. You'll just have the email field. Let me just here. So it works with both of those, and it auto-fills it. You see how easy it is. I changed the opt-in box color there. Change it to that. Okay. And basically, you see, you can just easily play around with all these settings, get what you wanted there. Let's change this back to what it was before. Okay. You can see you can just play around with it. It's real nice and easy. It sets this up no problem. Really fast. You change any page into an opt-in page with just a couple clicks. So input all your information there. Basically, that's just how it works. It's that simple and easy to create an opt-in form for your website. You can offer, anything you want. So get the plugin today. It's really just that easy. A couple clicks, you can be making your pages.